Likkle Red and the Big Bad Mango Wolf. Once upon a time in the cool hills of Portland, there lived a very high-spirited little girl named Red. But the whole village called her Likkle Red because she always wear a red hooded shawl with her granny crochet from nuff old curtain. Now, Likkle Red loved her granny bad. So one sunny Tuesday, Granny sent a message by donkey mail. Me dear Red, me back a mash up, me toe bun up, and me fridge empty. Bring me some food, please and thanks. So Red packed up her little basket. Curry chicken, 2 festivals, 1 bag juice, and a slice of toto. And she set off trotting through bushy bush trail. Me not take the road. The shortcut through the bush is faster, she said bold. But deep in that same bush did live Big Bad Mango Wolf, a slick talking, belly hungry half wolf, half higgler who na eat meat. Him love mango and vibes, but when him smell the curry chicken from 'bout 10 coconut tree away, him lick him lips. What a nice little snack. Or 2. So him pop out the bush like a surprise party. Good morning, little miss. Where you off to so sweet smellin' and fast? Me a go a me granny yard, Red say. Me a bring food and enough love for her. Aw, that nice, the wolf grin. But you sure granny still de home? Me think me here she gone pon cruise. Cruise? Granny can't even climb step. But Red's suspicious, so she takes a long pass now. Meanwhile, Wolf bolt through shortcut like him run champs. Reach Granny yard first, dress up in her Sunday wig, and jump in a the bed. When Red arrive, she knock the zinc gate. Knock, knock, knock. Come in, me child, the wolf say in a shaky voice, sounding like one church lady with cold. Red step in. She look pon Granny. Granny, you I look big, so me can spot Duppy from far. Granny, you teeth look sharp, so me can yam chew properly, you know, bones weak. Red step closer. Suddenly, she catch a whiff. Wait, you smell like ripe mango and trouble. Then bam, Wolf jump out, knock over the lamp, and shout, me no want no more question. I am not your granny, just give me the toto and curry. Red scream, but she fling the bag juice straight in a wolf face. Splash! Wolf ball out. Me I, bag juice in a me I, grape flavor at that. Just then, Granny kicked down the back door, swinging her walking stick like Bruce Lee. Back up you mangy furself. Me might old, but me still can beat you. She slap Wolf 2 times pap, pap, and Red fling one hot festival in a him mouth. He run off howlin', Morda, Morda, Morda. From that day, Likkle Red stick to the main road. Granny get a new alarm system apparent. As for the Big Bad Mango Wolf, him open a vegan food truck in downtown Kingston named Mango and Misery, but still couldn't show face in Portland. The end. Or maybe, the beginning of another trouble. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.